Howdy, folks. Guess what? It's still country style cooking. So, am I Saucy, the country chef, southern chef, or towboat chef? Who's gonna pass this test? Okay, I'm still the towboat chef, but I know how to do some country style cooking. Today, we're doing cornbread. Now, I'm gonna do it towboat style, because sometimes I don't have everything I'm supposed to have to make it right. You'll see, yeah, you'll see. Now, good southern cornbread, what do you mainly need? Alright, we'll get to that in a moment. Be right back. Okay, here's the ingredients. Of course, I've already done some pre-measurements. I got in here 1 cup of flour, and I also have 1 cup of white cornmeal. Okay, that's 2 items that you got to have that I don't have on this boat to make good southern cornbread. Here's approximately 2 tablespoons of sugar. Wait a minute, that was about 1. There's the other one. 1½ tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 of baking soda, 1/4 of salt, and then I add in the liquids, which is 1 egg and buttermilk. And I forgot my scraper and my, oh boy, blooper. Be right back. Yep, and we just mix it all in together. This is how I do it, okay? I know there's certain steps you got to do. You know what, this works just as well. And mixes it real good. Scrape those sides. Alright, now, do you remember what that other item is? You gotta have something that's already started in the oven. That's a cast iron skillet. Well, that cast iron skillet that you saw me with the bacon gravy, that's huge. That's the only cast iron skillet I've got. So I have to substitute it. Put it in one of these. Oh, well, woe was me. Okay, you gotta spray it down good. And put this in. As you can see, it's already started rising. Look at all those air bubbles. And this thing is going to rise big. That's why I got such a deep one. But if you spread it out too thin, it won't do it. That's the reason why I can't do that big skillet. Alright, this goes in the oven at 350 for approximately 20 minutes. See you back then. Well, folks, the cornbread came out of the oven. Doesn't that look good? I put a little bit of butter on the top, spread it around, let it soak in. Oh my God, it looks like heaven. We're going to see how it tastes at supper time. Alright, be right back. But I want to thank you for watching this part of the video of my Southern Cooking series. Got one more item I'm going to make. That will be the last one of this series. That is the fried potatoes. It has green peppers, not green onions. Well, yeah, I'll probably put some green onions on the top afterwards. Regular onions, and smoked sausage. Normally I would put andouille, but I'm up on the north. They don't have good andouille up here. We need some good Southern and Louisiana cooking up here. Ain't happening. Now, my gumbo was another story, but I've already done the gumbo series. Matter of fact, I'll link it at the end of the next video to my gumbo 1 and gumbo 2, because it does take a while, and I want to be able to show you everything. Okay, on that. All right. You all have an awesome day. If you're a new subscriber, please, or if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on that bell, get that notification, click that thumbs up, leave a comment. Everyone leave a comment. Have a great day, and have a good Southern goodness, happy day. And I'll see you down the river. Bye-bye.